So guys, you remember I told you that I am a risk taker in this industry. And so guys, what I really do is trying to make the best out of this indicator, simply because I told you they are made by humans like us, traders like us, and we don't expect them at any given point to be 100% accurate. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I use these two breakout indicators, and I went against the indicator, and sometimes I was following the indicator, and just for clarity, I was going against the indicator. So I was taking trades regarding of what will play out. So guys, I'm going to show you how I did all this. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Don't see this video and go directly and try this on your live account. Just go on your demo account, back test, look at the live market, what is happening, and when you make consistent profits in your demo account, definitely I allow you to go live and do this. So guys, I am here to show you what I really did. I combined the breakout indicators and the other indicators I'm going to show you. Then I will show you how I was going against it. I saw that it is working perfectly on 5-minute time frame. So you can test this on 5-minute time frame, simply because these lower time frames help us get early entries. If you've never known why we use lower time frames to execute trades, simply because they help you get early entries. Okay, so guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel, and I urge you to subscribe to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and I know this is where you belong. So guys, you can use it to scalp, simply because we are really going against it. So you need to get into the market and exit. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the indicators right now. Please don't do what I do. I am a risk taker in this industry, and please pay attention. And if you're not experienced much, please don't try this. So guys, let's click on indicators tab right here. The only thing you need is a Tradingview account. Remember, I've told you the only thing we're going to do in this video is making the best of the indicators we have. So you're just going to click on indicators tab right here. Once you click on indicators tab, you're going to type BJ key levels. Okay, this is the indicator we're going to use right now. The reason why I really love this indicator, it shows us breakouts, and as well it shows us back checks and the false breakout. And honestly, for me, seeing a false breakout using this indicator is not working perfectly well. So guys, you can see we have different colors right here. We have this color that is yellow like, and we have this color right here which is in blue. So when the market was really dropping, like for instance right here, there was yellow color right here, but when price broke above this level over here, you got this blue color. And indeed guys, you can see the market really rose to the upside. So that's why I really love this indicator. It can show you a breakout, but don't execute your orders blindly. That is what I really say. Don't at any given point execute your orders blindly. So guys, I told you I'm going to follow the indicator right here, because it's very great indicator indeed, and following it you find yourself making money, simply because the only thing you need is a trending market. See a market which is really trending. A ranging market right here will create confusion. Okay, so wait and see a trending market, whether the market is dropping or when the market is rising to the upside. But a ranging market, it will create confusion for you. There will be false breakout around that zone. How do you use this indicator to execute trades in its own direction, like the indicator is guiding you where to execute trades? It shows you the key levels, and the key levels, as you can see right here, they are defined by boxes that overlap support and resistance, offering structure zones of supply and demand zones. So it overlaps support and resistance, offering a structured supply and demand zone. So you must know all of these, they are your key levels. And I do say there is a probability of it broken below, and there is a probability of it rising. So how are we going to make the best out of this indicator? So the zones you can see right here, they are our key zones, and we should be watching the market from the zone, simply because when you see this market dropping like here, you see when price gets to this level over here, it will react to this zone. So this is your key zone. You should be looking price around this zone over here. So how can you use this to execute trades? The only thing I really need is seeing like the indicator has changed the colors. Okay, like here it was yellow and it has turned blue. I execute my orders confidently, simply because it shows you this structure over here have been broken above and buyers are taking over the market. Remember guys, I've told you you can use this on 5-minute time frame to scalp. Just scalp some few pips, exit your trade. So let's say you got into the market right here and you got into this point and you saw the indicator has changed the color to blue, and as well it has changed the color to blue right here. So you can hold your orders. When you get to this level over here, I'm sure this is a very strong resistance right here. You can exit your trades. So that's how you can follow the indicator. The same applies when you want to sell. So let's want to sell right here. This was a key zone over here. When you see the indicator has turned from blue to yellow, execute your trades right away, simply because it shows you the structures over here have been broken below. And indeed, guys, you can see the market came up to this level over here. This became your key level over here. The only thing you need is confirmation for you to execute trades. Okay, so guys, how can you really go against the indicator? This is what I want you to keep in mind. Sometimes you find that the breakout is not valid and it is a false breakout. So what are you really going to do right at this point over here? I'm going to add another great indicator. It's called false breakout expo by Isaiah Man. And as well, I'm going to do some changes right here. False breakout period, I want it to be 14. Then the rest is okay. Click on OK. As you can see right here, it has already plotted out that this was an invalid breakout, simply because, guys, right here we had momentum. You can see this was a very great momentum candlestick, and there is a potential of the market breaking to the upside because that was momentum. And I'm so sure many traders took their buy orders simply because they saw this momentum right here. But this indicator told you this is a very false breakout. So to those who took their buy order right here, they were in losses because of this movement right here. And don't joke with this movement over here, especially if you use higher leverage. Your account must be blown by this movement over here. So guys, when you see this false breaker right here, go against the first indicator and sell your orders and exit trades right at this zone over here, because as you can look closely, let me draw it, that is a level 2 you should be paying attention to. So I want to show you real quick. That was a very sensitive zone. Yeah, here it is. You can see indeed this is a zone where you should pay attention to because it was rejected several times. So this becomes another level that you should be looking the market from. So you exit the trades right here. So guys, I've seen you how to really trade against the indicator. The first indicator, which shows us the breakout and the back checks as well, and go against the indicator. How do you really go against it? When you see false breakout and the indicator was showing you this is where to proceed to the upside, kindly follow the direction of the false breakout. Okay, and I hope, guys, you've learned something from this video. This is all I wanted to show you. You can use this to scalp some few pips and exit your orders right away. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't, and as well, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because I believe honestly you need this kind of content so that you can broaden your knowledge forex wise. Okay, so guys, continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. So what do I say, guys? Bye, see you in my next video. All the best and success in everything you do. Bye, guys.